Cebu. Ayan. Sugo na lang. Mani. Thank you for the 2 people. Sugo na lang yung puti. Already freezing. Freezing. Tapos, still freezing. Sugo tapos. Mala. Ikaw, bahala ako naman. Freezing now, still freezing. Ako mama. Oo. Still freezing, huh? Why you not answer my question? It's still freezing. I'm still. Hi, Oski. Hi. Where are you from, Baltic? It's still freezing, Tim. Oh my God. Thank you for eating, people. Thank you so much. Yes. Why too long? You answered. Still freezing now. Hello, eating people. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining, everybody. Everyone here. What it means, Baltic Polino? What it means? Where are you from, Baltic Polino? Polino. Baltic Polino. Oh my God, I don't understand why frozen. Thank you for the 2 people. Give the thumbs up. Why? Thank you for the people here watching. What it means, Baltic? What it means? Baltic English. Thank you, 6 people here. Thank you so much. Thank you for the thumbs up. Baltic English. What it means, Baltic? Thank you for the 4 thumbs up, guys. Oh my God, 31 people here. Thank you so much. Good evening, Manay. Fiarello. Kilala mo ako? Please hit the like, guys. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you, Adam. Good evening, Cheryl. Hi! Sometimes in Florida. Hi, Mike. Thank you for joining here again. Welcome back. Long time no here. Got back to USA this week. I didn't have a good internet in Mexico. Okay. Thank you for the 5 people here. Thank you so much. Thank you for the thumbs up. Gab! Ano kaya habang nag-live ako? Just stop by, say hello, and give a like. Back to work for me. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you, Mike, for joining us. Hello, my love. Oh, Jerry, welcome back, Jerry. What happened to you? It's very a long time no here. How are you, Jerry? Of course, I know you because I'm always here to your life. Thank you so much, Adam. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you so much. I was lost. Why? Why you lost? What happened? Jerry, a dead man walking. What? I come back to find my jacket. I left it here. The jacket. Is your health okay, Jerry? Yes, then just tired a lot. Okay. Let's rest. Health is wealth, you know. Let's rest. Health is very important. You change your name. Why do many people kick you out? What? Iswag Gab, kay mahurhig da ako. Gab, iswag kay mahurhig da ako. Nobody kick me out. Good. I just like to change every now and then. I came back to see if you are married yet. Ah, lol. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet married. Come on, Tim, what are you waiting for? I have to go there and stuff. You are rich. Get over there. Jerry, I think Tim is not rich. I have to go in October because I need to get my eyes fixed. I was supposed get 2 tickets and I will keep you company. We don't need company. Don't need. I mean you on the flight. Mm. I'm trying to get a free ride. He can't. Tim, he can't free ride for you. He can't afford. I'm sleeping. I don't need a cuddle bud. Bob, Bob, going to sleep in 20 hours. 20 hours of sleep. No, nice. And I think she now wants to get married when I get there. Civil wedding. Nice. Relax, Jerry. Are you going to live with you get married? When you get married? Relax, Jerry. I know what you're looking at. Looking at what? I have my eyes closed. we were thinking about it. Liar. Liar. Cheryl, when you stood up, your butt was in front of Jerry's eyes. Oh my god. Oh, you mean her leg? I didn't even notice. The leg maybe. Right, that was why I said that. Well, it's good again. We were asking about well, it's good actually when you were. Thank you guys for concern. You are both cool people. Yeah, we need cool people. What message? A message. Where you? Where the messenger now? Why? Jerry, why you delete your live stuff? You can hide take my jacket. Don't have one. Tim, you can't take my jacket. I don't have one. I left YouTube for a little while. Why? Why you left YouTube? Um, and you said I was ugly. Oh my god, who said you're ugly? No, I text her to give you one, but didn't deliver the message yet. Sure, I'll give him one jacket. Huh? What? What do you mean, Tim? Only because she's smoked. What do you mean the jacket? Oh my god, I'm family. Oh my god, I'm family again. Nasulutan ko sa agad. Bago. No, just because you're in hospice. What means? So give him one. What do you mean? What should I give? Brother Tim and sister Cheryl. Ah, okay. What do you mean, Tim? I gave him. Jerry, you just made me throw up in my mouth. I feel tired because I walk a lot today. A blue jacket. Oh my god. Ah, okay. Sorry. Okay. Oh my god.